Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Today is grocery vlog. Samahan nyo kami guys. Ayan, we are in Willy's today. Dito tayo sa Willy's. Ayan, we have bread now. It's for the whole week. And then here our favorite cookies. Ayan. 9 crown lang yan guys, or 10 crown na siya. 10 crown. And then this bread, ayan yung price niya. 35 crown. 36 almost. Ayan guys, pinalitan namin yung aming bread ng other kind of limpa. And that one is 24.90. And how much is that one? Pop rice. Ano bang tawag dito? Rice cake.
Det kostar 18 kronor. Den här 10.
Popcorn cookies. Parang cookies siya guys. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan guys, kumuha ako ng mais flour. Or they call it ayan, we have mais flour or kahit ide yellow corn. It's yellow corn. Yeah, and this one Havre greens. And ito yung price ng ating Havre greens. And then ito yung price ng mais flour. Ayan. Coffee. You don't buy coffee. How much is that? This is the price of tomatoes, guys. 42. Organic na kamatis. 42 ang ang isang ganito. Look at this one guys. Before it was only 18 crown. Now it's 33 crown. Oh my god.
You look so rich.
Toyo. I may toyo.
Mommy, look.
Candied coconut milk. Ayan. Yung price niya.
Mommy, look.
Yeah.
This one.
Oyster, no. Oyster sauce. I don't like. Dada. Pilinti ito rin. Ayan, kumuha ako ng lemon. 21. Anas. Ayan, 19. Yung 19 kronor yung kukunin namin. Hindi siya organic. Ayan. What is that? Hot dog? Yeah. There is the price of it. Hot dog. 24. Ayan, kukuha kami nito. Ayan siya. 64.90. Cheese guys. Nakakalula yung price niya. Ang dating 67. Nag 105 na yung price. Hindi na namin kayang bilhin yung favorite naming cheese. About that one, Daddy? Huh? You can buy two. 69. 69 siya, pero maliit lang naman siya. Yung kasi malaki. Yeah, that one. You can take one, anak. Take pink. Pink.
It's a spider on blue.
Pink one. What's that?
It's a spider on the blue one.
Spider. Oh, come on.
I hate spiders.
And this juice, guys, na favorite namin din. 10 crown lang yan dati. Ngayon is 15 na siya. Oh my. milk, guys. Yung milk namin. Ayan. 20 crown. Ang isa. One more.
En till?
Yeah.
Smör och margarin, ska du ha något sånt?
Ayan. Kumuha kami niyan. Ang price niya is yan.
Helt extremt.
Ayan, kumuha si Daddy ng kanyang soup para sa kanyang moose hunting. And then, what you will do with this?
I don't know, but it's low price.
Binili niya lang kasi mura daw. 9 crown?
Ja.
9 kronor. And then this one, guys, ito mura.
Men det var bara 9 och 90,
Yeah.
10 kronor.
Close 10 crown. So, kumuha kami ng 4. Isda to. Isda na parang siyang burger. Lux. And then ito,
Pappa,
why
isn't it
did you ha?
Räkna.
Reka. By Reka. Shrimp. Na walang balat. 29? 30 crown?
Ja,
30 crown.
9,90.
So, ayan guys. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Uwi na tayo. Ayan guys. Ito yung aming total na pala ng aming binili. Ayan. Close 1,000 crown.